Would you risk your entire saving just because you did not have a health insurance? Sounds dramatic. No, it's not. That's exactly what happened to the millions of people during the COVID. And over 6 crore Indians pushed into poverty just because they did not earn enough money, but because they did not have a proper health insurance plan. And here the painful part is, most of them had a health insurance policy, but they had the wrong one. Mostly time health insurance plan looks good on paper but did not help when it really matters. So let's look at the reality. Only 30% of Indians have some kind of health insurance, and most of those are covered under group health insurance policy. So the whole point is that you save money for years and one hospital bill wipe it all out. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, a place where we make health insurance policy simple, honest and stress-free. So today I am going to break down everything you need to know before choosing a health insurance policy in 2025. No hidden condition, just a real talk. So now let's talk about something that often overlooked, that is your health. Because no matter how much you plan very well, but life always threw curveballs. Let's imagine it's a regular Monday. In the morning you are going to ready for your work and suddenly you start feeling pain in your chest, and now in few times you are in ER. So this is where your health insurance policy become your safety net. Health insurance is not just about the emergencies. It covers your health checkup, medications, tests and chronic care. Okay, let's be honest. You need that protection now more than ever. Healthcare costs are rising, but being insured means you won't have to choose between your health and your wallet. In 2025, having health insurance is not smarter. Now it's an essential part of our life. At Policy Hub, we believe that health insurance should not be a formality. It should actually protect you and your family while life taking unexpected turns. So whether you are buying a health insurance policy for the first time or you are confused with your current policy, so you are in the right place. You are only just a call away. Book your free consultation with us and our expert will get in touch with you and they will suggest you that best fits you. Let's come back to the point. Now let's simplify. What is health insurance and how does it work? Health insurance is a financial safety during your medical emergencies. You pay a yearly premium and insurance company covers your hospital's expenses, either directly or by reimbursing you. If we talk about good health insurance policy, then a proper health insurance covers hospitalization expenses. So in hospitalization expenses, if you are hospitalized more than 24 hours, it covers your medicines, doctor fees, nurse charge, room rent, all expenses in it. And the second point is hospital room rents and ICU charges. Hospital rooms have shared room, single private AC room, deluxe room, suite room, and ideally in a health insurance policy there should not be a capping on room rent expenses. So you can choose any room and ICU without any extra amount paying from your pocket. And the third point is pre and post hospitalization expenses. In a health insurance policy, it covers the expenses before hospitalization and after discharge. In pre and post hospitalization, it covers the expenses of doctor's consultation, medicines and tests. Higher day limit is in pre is 60 and 90 days, and in post hospitalization it's 90 and 180 days. Maximum days are better to cover the full treatment cycle. So when you are going to buy health insurance policy, so make sure to check the number of days covered in pre and post hospitalization. The fourth point is daycare treatment. It includes treatment and surgeries which can be done within 4 to 5 hours and does not require to hospitalize for 24 hours, like cataract surgery or chemotherapy. So make sure there should not be no limit on number of procedures and cost of daycare procedures. My point is modern treatment. Modern treatment covers advanced procedures like robotic surgeries, stem cell therapy. Modern treatment should be fully covered without sublimit, as these are costly but medically essential today. The next point is Ayush treatment. In Ayush, A is stand for Ayurveda, Y is stand for Yoga, U is stand for Unani, S is stand for Siddha, and H is stand for Homeopathy. In today's time, mostly people want to go through the Ayurvedic treatment and want to avoid the allopathic treatment if required. So make sure there should not be cap on Ayush treatment. Next point is organ donor expenses. Health insurance includes organ donor expenses as it covers the expenses of organ donor and donee both. It's an important part of health health insurance. It should be covered under health insurance policy because it involves high cost. Next is domiciliary expenses. When a patient is treated at home due to the lack of beds in a hospital or due to non-movable condition, these expenses are covered. It ensures care continuity even without hospital admission. Next point is health checkup. Annual health checkup helps in early detection of disease. Policies offering this preventive health checkup to promote preventive care and long-term savings. So these are the points that you have to look before you buying health insurance policy. These are the most important parts of the health insurance. So make sure when you buy health insurance policy, then it does not have any type of capping and sublimits in it. Next, we will break down the two common type of health insurance claim. After knowing all these points, you should know about the health insurance claim process. First one is cashless treatment and another is reimbursement process. If we talk about cashless claim, so you go to a network hospital, show your card, get treated and then leave. The insurance company pay your hospital expenses directly to the hospital. And the second process is reimbursement claim. In a reimbursement claim, if you go to the non-network hospital, you pay upfront and submit your bills, receipts, your documents to the company and then get your money back in your account. Both options are useful, but cashless is always more convenient. So when you comparing your health insurance plan, so make sure insurance company have wide range of network hospital. So these are the points you should know before buying health insurance plan. So coverage is one thing, but is your health insurance policy really best fit for your needs? Let's explore why having right health insurance plan is absolutely important. It's not just about having a health insurance policy. It's about having the right one. Ask yourself, does your health insurance plan cover major disease? Will it protect you when you really need it? Can you get cashless treatment without paying upfront? Are there limits on room rent or any type of cappings and sublimits in your policy? If you don't know the answer, that's a sign that your current plan may not be enough. Because here's the truth. The right health insurance plan ensures you are not stuck with huge out-of-pocket bills during emergencies. Right health insurance plan gives you access of right quality of treatment and hospitals without unnecessary restrictions. It provides you cashless treatment so you don't have to scramble for money when it matters most. Right health insurance plan cover your specific needs, whether that's maternity coverage, chronic care or senior care. And mostly important, a right health insurance plan give you a peace of mind knowing that you are truly protected. So the wrong policy may leave you underinsured, while the right health insurance plan can be your lifeline during the critical moments. So you are still feeling confused? You are not alone. Most people feel overwhelmed when it comes to the medical insurance plan. That's why we are here at Policy Hub, help you to understand and to choose the right health insurance plan that best fit your needs and your budget also. So if you want a detailed explanation video on how to choose right health insurance policy, just comment down on video. We will make a separate video for how to choose right health insurance policy in 2025. So click the link given in the description and book your free consultation with us, because yes, money can be earned back, but can you earn your peace of mind, your health, your time and your loved ones? In my next video, I will talk about the biggest mistake people make while buying a health insurance plan and how to avoid it like a pro. So hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you ever feel lost while buying health insurance plan, and share this video someone who really needs it. See you in next video. Thanks.